I received this last Sunday, the 15th of December, and it took me maybe 10 minutes to put together. It goes together great. I used a little, like a wood glue, so nothing comes loose. Door swings up like this. You could even decorate the doors if it's light plexiglass. Loaves of bread fit right in there. I put some little felt feet on the bottom of it, and so it doesn't scratch up the surface.
Came packed very nicely. These were a little tough to screw in with some elbow grease. I was able to. It's a good size. I mean, you can see roll of paper towels size-wise.
Miren, llegó como que se hubiera mojado el cartón este. Miren, ahora mismo lo estoy instalando. No sé si regresarlo o qué, pero es más trabajo regresarlo, creo. Bueno, vamos a ver si funciona.
I got 1.5 loaves in there. Could be 2 loaves. Boom.